And welcome back. Second half action now. Leaders and defending champions Mount Pleasant FC extended their winning streak to 6 following a 1-0 win over high-flying Tivoli Gardens in the Jamaica Premier League at the National Stadium, on Thursday afternoon. The St. Anne-based club snapped the West Kingston side's 3-game win streak when Kimoni Bailey struck just before the halftime break.
A good win, a hard-fought one. I thought we did some things well, some things not so well, but it's still early in the season. This is our 5th game. We have won all 5 games. So, as you know, winning is contagious. The vibes in the camp is good, and we'll continue to work.
It was a pretty much physical game for the first 40 minutes. As you know, the officials really have a warm time, taking charge of the game. Nevertheless, chances were few. Mount Pleasant have a little more of the football more than us, but outside of that, it was pretty much a very physical game.
Meanwhile, Humble Lion extended Montego Bay United's misery with a 3-2 win at the Everettville Sports Complex. Jovan Smith opened the scoring for the home team after just 13 minutes. But 2 minutes later, the visitors were back in it through Siobhan MacDonald with his first of the day. MacDonald returned in minute 31 to put the Clarendon-based team 2-1 ahead. And the ding-dong battle was well and truly on when Jovan Smith pulled Humble Lion level just 3 minutes later. But Rashane Sharp proved the hero with an 87th minute header for the hosts.
Hard-fought victory. Wasn't easy. It wasn't the prettiest either. But we dug in today and we fought. And I told the team we needed a response after the Tivoli game. And we found a way to win the game today,
I feel bad. We started the game very well. Unfortunately, we took the first goal, then we able to come over 2-1. The equalizing goal, unlucky too, because the ball deflected and killed the goalkeeper.
And former champions Harbour remained winless after fighting to a 1-1 draw with Portmore United in the late game on Wednesday after Portmore went in front through Clayton Peck with just 5 minutes on the clock. Well, the former champions carved out a point when Shaquille Bradford scored in the 70th minute from the penalty spot.
I think we made some use of the possession. We were able to create a penalty and scored from it. But it could have gone either way. Some calls that didn't go both teams' way, but such is football and we have to just keep working.
The penalty was questionable if you ask me. And but I think based on the run of play, the end result was fair enough. I think our view asked a lot of questions of us today, which the guys answered for the most part, but unfortunately we could not hold on to the end.
In other games on Thursday, Arnott Gardens were leading Waterhouse 1-0 in the second of a doubleheader at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Earlier, Treasure Beach had a 2-1 win over Malines United.